Hey guys, John Avanti here, and we have this 2015 Promaster Dodge van, and it has the weirdest problem. So what happened is the radiator exploded. Let me show you what happened. Here's the radiator fan, and what happened was the resistor exploded. So here's the other resistor that whatever these resistors do, I mean, it's for the fan action. The customer in the shop, complained that he was losing antifreeze, the truck was overheating. Luckily, I don't think he blew the engine, but that resistor exploded. So there you can see there's a big dent here, and whatever it is just kept twirling. Look at this shot in here. Look at that. That resistor did a number on this radiator. And then it probably, and look at that. Well, the mechanic says that it might have hit here and cracked the plastic, but we really don't know. But there's a hole in this and it was leaking. So this job is not for the lighthearted. If you're not an experienced mechanic, I wouldn't attempt it, because taking apart that front end, that whole grill part, was a big, it took about an hour just to take all that apart. Then you got to assemble it. That's the hardest part. You can see somebody broke into the van. They broke the window, stole the guy's tools. But that's one of the problems you may wind up when you buy one of these vans, is resistors exploding. And we're all pretty shocked that it happened, because we've never seen anything like this happen. Maybe the dealers know about this problem and they've seen it happen many times. So the resistor cost about $70. So we're buying both resistors. So it's about $180 in resistors. The fan was $300. A dealer fix would be $1,000, and a mechanic like this, you're probably going to save $300 to do a job like that. So this is John Avanti. Hope this video was helpful. Take care, peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.